Okay, grab your suitcase. Packing doesn't have to be a last-minute panic attack. In fact, with the right system, it can be downright satisfying. I'm giving you my no-stress, grab-and-go packing playbook in the next 4 minutes. This is the ultimate guide to packing smarter, not harder, so you can focus on the trip, not the baggage. It all starts with step 1, the 10-minute list. This is your non-negotiable foundation. I open a fresh note and write down the absolute essentials, the things you can't buy at your destination. ID, wallet, phone, meds, always in your carry-on, never checked, chargers, socks, underwear, 2 tops, 1 bottom, 1 layer, like a sweater or light jacket, shoes, toiletries, a refillable water bottle, snacks, and a sleep kit, eye mask, earplugs. That's my minimum viable trip. With just this list, I have everything I truly need. If the Uber's outside, I can grab these things, throw them in a bag, and still make my flight. Now for the clothes. I live by the rule of 3. 3 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 layer. This simple formula gives you at least 6 different outfits. The key is a neutral color palette. Think black, navy, gray, or beige. Then add 1 pop piece. A colorful scarf, a statement shirt, something with personality. My rule is simple. If an item doesn't work with at least 2 other things in the suitcase, it stays home. No exceptions. For packing technique, roll. Don't fold, especially for knits, t-shirts, and pants. It minimizes wrinkles and saves a surprising amount of space. The only exceptions are stiff items like blazers or starched shirts. Those I fold once and stack at the edge of the suitcase to keep their structure. Use your soft stuff, socks, underwear, to fill every gap. No wasted space. And always pack heavy to light from the wheels upward. That means shoes and toiletries at the bottom. This keeps the bag balanced and prevents it from crushing everything when you stand it upright. Packing cubes are non-negotiable. They're like drawers for your suitcase. I use 1 for clothes, 1 for specialty items, like gym gear or sleepwear, and the most important one, a dedicated cube for night 1. After a long travel day, you can just grab it, shower, and crash without exploding the entire suitcase looking for your toothbrush. Dirty laundry gets its own lightweight bag, not a packing cube. This keeps your clean stuff smelling fresh and makes unpacking a breeze. Shoes, the biggest space hogs. Always wear your bulkiest pair on the plane. Then, pack 1 other versatile pair. Something that can handle walking during the day but still look good for dinner. Always put shoes in bags to keep dirt off your clean clothes. And remember to stuff your shoes with socks or other small items. It saves space and helps the shoes hold their shape. Toiletries. The secret is a pre-built DOP kit. It's always packed and ready to go, so you never forget anything. I use travel-sized everything, and I'm a huge fan of solids. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, toothpaste tablets. They save space and aren't subject to liquid rules. And think multi-purpose. 1 soap for face and body, 1 moisturizer with SPF. For any liquids you do bring, they go in a clear quart bag, right on top for easy access and security. That's the 3-1-1 rule. 3.4-ounce bottles, 1 quart-size bag, 1 bag per person. And my favorite pro tip, put a tiny piece of tape over flip caps. It will save you from a surprise shampoo tsunami inside your bag. Tech, keep it lean. 1 compact charger that handles your phone, tablet, and watch. Use short cables to avoid a tangled mess. A universal adapter is a must for international travel. And a power bank is your best friend on long travel days. Just make sure it's under 100 watt-hours to comply with flight regulations. All of this lives in a small tech pouch that goes in my personal item, never my suitcase. Docs, passport, ID, cards. I always hide a backup card somewhere separate from my wallet, and I have digital copies of everything in a secure cloud folder. Call me old-fashioned, but I also keep a paper itinerary with my hotel address in my bag, just in case my phone dies at the worst possible moment. Security and tracking, a simple bag tag on the outside with just your name and email, never your home address. Put a full info card inside the bag. An AirTag or tile tracker hidden in the suitcase provides incredible peace of mind. Use a TSA-approved lock to deter casual theft. And finally, a bright ribbon or unique strap makes your generic black bag stand out on a crowded carousel. You'll thank me later. Weather math. Always check the forecast right before you zip up. No matter the destination, add 1 warm layer. Airplanes and evenings can be surprisingly chilly. And add 1 rain layer. A lightweight packable shell is perfect. Prioritize fabrics that don't wrinkle and dry fast, like merino wool or quality synthetics. For anything that does get creased, a tiny bottle of wrinkle-release spray is magic. Or, just hang your clothes in the bathroom during a hot shower. The steam works wonders. My final space strategy: leave 10% of your suitcase empty. This is your breathing room for souvenirs or anything you buy on your trip. If you absolutely need more space, use one compressible cube for your bulkiest items, like a puffer jacket or a thick sweater. But don't use them for everything. You don't want to pack a solid brick that's overweight and impossible to repack. And remember, your most critical carry-on essentials should live on you or in your personal item, not just the overhead bin. That means your meds, wallet, passport, and a phone charger. That way, even if your bag gets gate-checked, you have everything you need to survive.